It's April, and as the days get longer, we have some great new videos for you to enjoy. This month sees part 2 of our Maggie Davis series on Hawaiian applique, and in this episode, Maggie is showing us how to lay out our symmetrical shape on the background fabric using fold marks as an accurate guide, and then to pin and tack into place. We also arrived at part 2 of Dion Swift's Sensational Sewing Seminar series. This time she is showing us how to keep our sewing machine clean and lubricated to sew better and avoid those unwelcome repair bills. Jenny Raymond is showing Valerie a very useful needle felting tool that she's acquired that allows her to easily and quickly create lovely embellishments on almost any fabric. And we are also launching a completely new series by the popular Dion Swift, the Structural Stitches Workshop series, where Dion will show us how to use the humble straight stitch with several fabrics to create beautiful textile forms. In this first workshop, Dion uses the straight stitch with contrasting fabrics and then cuts the piece to reveal extraordinary 3D shapes and structures. And finally, our Tip Thursday for April features Jenny Haynes, showing us her unique technique for pressing seams open and flat. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our workshops led by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.